Pause the video and have a go at expanding the brackets for each of the following. Then restart the video where I will go through the solutions step by step. 10 times 3w is 30w. This is a minus. In front of the 3 there is no sign, which implies positive. Consequently, a minus times a positive is a minus. 10 times x is 10x. We can see this is a minus and this is a minus, and a minus times a minus is a positive. We now have 10 times 2y, which is 20y. We can see here we have a minus and here we have a plus, and a minus times a plus is a minus. So we can see that this expands to this value here. There's no sign here which implies multiplication. This x will multiply the y to give xy. The x will multiply the 5 to give 5x. There's no sign here which implies positive. There's no sign here which implies positive. A positive times a positive will give us a positive. I've removed the positive from in front of this because not having a sign there implies it's positive. There's a positive here and a positive here, and a positive times a positive gives a positive. Consequently, we can see that this will expand to this here.